Q1. The book titled An Ordinary Life, Portrait of an Indian Generation has been authored by A. T. N. Sheshan, B. Sunil Arora, C. Ashok Lavasa, D. Sushil Chandra, E. Rashmi Desai. Correct answer. C. Ashok Lavasa. Notes. Former Election Commissioner Ashok Lavasa has come out with a book titled An Ordinary Life, Portrait of an Indian Generation. Q2. Sikh home Mirabai Chanu has opened India's medal tally at the ongoing Tokyo Olympics 2020 by winning a silver medal. She represents the country in which event? A. Weightlifting, B. Gymnastics, C. Boxing, D. Sprinting, E. Tennis. Correct answer. A. Weightlifting. Notes. India's ace weightlifter Sikh home Mirabai Chanu has claimed a silver medal in the women's 49 kg category at Tokyo 2020 Olympics on July 24, 2021. Q3. World Drowning Prevention Day is held annually on A. the 29th of July, B. the 28th of July, C. the 27th of July, D. the 26th of July, E. the 25th of July. Correct answer. E. the 25th of July. Notes. World Drowning Prevention Day, declared through the April 2021 UN General Assembly Resolution Global Drowning Prevention, is held annually on the 25th of July. This global advocacy event serves as an opportunity to highlight the tragic and profound impact of drowning on families and communities and to offer life-saving solutions to prevent it. Q4. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated every year on July 26. This year nation is celebrating the _ of victory in the Kargil War. A. 21 years, B. 22 years, C. 24 years, D. 25 years, E. 23 years. Correct answer. B. 22 years. Notes. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated every year on July 26 since the year 1999, to mark India's victory over Pakistan in the Kargil conflict. This year nation is celebrating the 22 years of victory in the Kargil War. Q5. Which of the following site has been inscribed as India's 39th UNESCO World Heritage List? A. Kakatiya Rudreshwara Temple, B. Bhimbetka Rock Shelters, C. Mahabodhi Temple, D. Gangaikonda Cholapuram, E. Dharasuram. Correct answer. A. Kakatiya Rudreshwara Temple. Notes. The Kakatiya Rudreshwara Temple, also known as the Ramappa Temple, at Palampet, Mulugu district, near Warangal in Telangana has been inscribed on UNESCO's World Heritage List during the 44th session of the World Heritage Committee of UNESCO. With this latest induction, there are 39 World Heritage Sites located in India. Q6. Which of the following country has joined International Solar Alliance, ISA, recently on July 17? A. Finland, B. Norway, C. Sweden, D. Switzerland, E. Denmark. Correct answer. C. Sweden. Notes. Sweden has ratified the Framework Agreement for the International Solar Alliance, ISA, and is now a member of the Global Platform, which is an initiative of India aimed at promoting renewable energy and sustainable development. Q7. Who among the following has been appointed as the Managing Director of HCL Technologies Limited? A. Shiv Nadar, B. C. Vijay Kumar, C. Shyam Srinivasan, D. Hitendra Dev, E. Vishwavir Ahuja. Correct answer. B. C. Vijay Kumar. Notes. Vijay Kumar, President and Chief Executive Officer, has been appointed as the Managing Director for 5 years. Q8. Yang Qian has won the first gold medal of the Tokyo Olympics in the women's 10 meters air rifle. She's from which country? A. Vietnam, B. Thailand. C. Indonesia. D. Japan. E. China. Correct answer. E. China. Notes. Yang Qian of China took gold in the women's 10 meters air rifle final to secure the first gold medal of the 2020 Summer Games at the Asaka shooting range, Q9. In 2019, India ranked which of the following position with a share of 3.1% in global agricultural exports? A. 10, B. 11, C. 15, D. 09, E. 17. Correct answer. D. 09. Notes. India cracked into the top 10 list of agricultural produce exporters in 2019 with a significant share within the export of rice, soybeans, cotton and meat, according to a World Trade Organization (WTO) report on trends in world agricultural trade in recent 25 years. Q10. Senior IPS officer Nasir Kamal has recently been designated to which of the following portfolio? A. Director General of the Bureau of Investigation. B. Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. C. Director General of the Central Bureau of Investigation. D. Director General of Intelligence Bureau. E. Director General of Delhi Police. Correct answer. B. Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Notes. Senior IPS officer Nasir Kamal has been appointed the Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, BCAS, Q11. Which one of the following has recently signed a MoU with CDAC to train manpower of force in advanced technologies, undertake joint projects? A. BSF. B. Assam Rifles. C. CISF. D. CRPF. E. SSB. Correct answer. D. CRPF. Notes. The Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF, has signed a MoU with Center for Development of Advanced Computing CDAC to train the manpower of the force in advanced technologies and undertake joint projects. Q12. Which of the following country has reported cases of norovirus infection? A. United Kingdom. B. USA. C. Japan. D. China. E. Germany. Correct answer. A. United Kingdom. Notes. The United Kingdom is now reporting an outbreak of norovirus. Public Health England, PHE, recently issued a warning regarding norovirus. England has recorded 154 cases of norovirus in the country. Q13. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of Abu Dhabi Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Adachi? A. Shilpi Gautam. B. M. Yusuf Ali. C. Muhammad Saeed. D. Chandrika Gunnasan. E. Solvig Jonas Adotir. Correct answer. B. M. Yusuf Ali. Notes. Lulu Group Chairman M. Yusuf Ali has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of Abu Dhabi Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Adachi. Q14. Name the bank who has got a loan of $250 million from International Finance Corporation, IFC, the investment arm of the World Bank Group. A. IDBI Bank. B. Axis Bank. C. ICICI Bank. D. HDFC Bank. E. Yes Bank. Correct answer. D. HDFC Bank. Notes. HDFC Limited has got a loan of $250 million from International Finance Corporation, IFC, the investment arm of the World Bank Group, to be used by India's largest housing finance company for green housing. Q15. Name Bangladesh's legendary folk singer and freedom fighter, passed away recently. A. Sabina Yasmin. B. Habib Wahid. C. Rizwana Chaudhary Banya. D. Runa Laila. E. Fakira Lamgir. Correct answer. E. Fakira Lamgir. Notes. Bangladesh's legendary folk singer, Fakir Alamgir has passed away due to complications from COVID-19. He was born on February 21, 1950, in Faridpur. Alamgir began his music career in 1966